Hello everyone, this is Shamala
And I am Nagamalishwari from 9th standard.
here we are going to explain about the rainwater detecting sensor. A raindrop detecting sensor is an electronic device that detects the presence and intensity of water droplets. It's widely used in automatic wipes, weather monitoring, LOT projects and etc.
The components we use to make this project are USB, sensor plate, jumper wires, Arduino, that's it.
And here the connection goes with, so we have to connect. So here I am connecting with AO and this one with ground and one more with VCC. So VCC we have to connect with 5 volts. VCC we have to connect with 5 volts and AO with AO and ground with ground. Connecting the USB with the board. So we have to connect the USB and
With the laptop,
we have to connect it to the laptop and here we have to verify and going to tools.
then we have to go to board and
And then-
select Arduino, UNO. Then we have to go to tools again
And then to
Then-
port.
port. Then we have to select port
And
and
COM
then
5.
COM5 and then we have to go to tools again. No, we have to upload.
So here it's uploaded and
Then we have to go to tools and serial monitor. And it will be, then we have to
then we have to
pour a little water
then we have to pour water
on the sensor.
on the sensor and then here
It shows,
shows
that
the readings.
rain is detected.
so it shows that the rain is detected. Here are the readings. So, so this we can connect and we can check that the rain detecting sensor. And the advantages are it's low cost, easy to interface, and also we can work with an Arduino. Thank you.
How it works. Digital pin becomes low or high. LED turns on. Serial monitor will show rain is detected. You can adjust the sensitivity by using blue potentiometer. Thank you.